Kung lagi mong tanong kung bakit ganito ka, baka may stellium ka at hindi mo alam.
Ano ang stellium? Ang stellium ay kapag tatlo o higit pang planets ay nasa iisang zodiac sign or iisang house. Ibig sabihin nito, overloaded ang energy mo sa isang tema ng buhay. Ang importansya ng stellium, may core lesson ka sa lifetime na to. Paulit-ulit kang dadalhin ng universe sa parehong tema, minsan blessing, minsan burden. Pero once na master mo, sobrang lakas mo, hindi ka scattered, specialized ka. Kung may Pisces stellium ka, hindi ka talaga pang ordinaryong mundo. Hyper-empathy, psychic dreams, emotional sponge, past life memories, escapism kapag overloaded. Pisces stellium themes yan. Ito naman ang mga examples. First house, ikaw yung tahimik pero ramdam ka. Mysterious, soft pero malakas ang aura. Fourth house, ang bahay mo, emotional battlefield. May ancestral karma, healer ng family. Seventh house, attract ka sa mga broken na tao. Lesson mo, boundaries. Tenth house naman, public healer, artist, spiritual guide, pero prone sa burnout. 12th house, old soul, natural psychic, pero kailangan ng grounding or malulunod ka. Reminder ha, hindi lahat kailangan mong saluhin. Kung Aquarius stellium ka, hindi ka ginawa para makisabay. Ang Aquarius stellium themes, detached pero caring, advanced thinker, outsider feeling, soul mission over emotion, innovation versus tradition. Ang example ko naman dito for first house, unique ka kahit ayaw mo. Born leader kahit tahimik. Ang third house mo naman, matalino, magsalita, futuristic mind, magaling sa content, technology, and ideas. Kung fifth house stellium ka naman, weird creativity. Hindi ka mainstream, trendsetter ka. Kung seventh house stellium ka naman, relationship mo, unconventional lesson, intimacy without losing freedom. Ang 11th house stellium Aquarius mo naman, community leader, humanitarian, pero minsan emotionally distant. Ang reminder ko for Aquarius stellium, hindi ka cold, advance ka lang mag-isip. Capricorn stellium. Kung Capricorn stellium ka, maaga kang tumanda. Ang Capricorn stellium themes, responsibility overload, authority issues, slow success pero solid, karmic lessons, respect versus validation. Kung ang Capricorn mo ay stellium sa second house, money karma. You build wealth the hard way but permanent. Ang fourth house, stellium ka naman, ikaw yung backbone ng pamilya. Emotionally reserved dahil maaga kang naging strong. Kung sixth house, Capricorn stellium ka naman, workaholic tendencies. Ang lesson mo dito, health, bago success. Kung 8th house, stellium ka naman, control issues sa intimacy at money. Pero powerful manifestor. At kung 10th house, stellium ka naman for Capricorn, born authority, success delayed but unstoppable. Reminder for Capricorn stellium, hindi ka late. Pinipili ka lang ng universe kapag handa ka na.
Kung may stellium ka, hindi ka random soul. May theme, may lesson, may destiny. Gusto mo bang malamang saan stellium mo? Magpa-read na, DM mo lang ako. Follow for more birth chart truths.